Want to know how to use the Gutenberg plugin in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you are under your website's dashboard. And once you're there, make sure you have Gutenberg installed as well. It should be installed by default, but if it's not, just simply hit towards plugin and install it. And once you're there, just simply hit towards post and then select all posts if possible. And once you're there, here you can just simply select any title or your page title, which will open up your editor. And now once you're there, here you can see type or to choose a block. This is the Gutenberg in process, so you can just simply select it. And once you're there, here you can see this plus icon. So simply select this plus icon, and now you can just choose anything: paragraph, image, heading, and you can also see browse all for much more. And that's it. That's how you use the Gutenberg plugin as you want. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.